Wednesday is being declared as National Fugu Day, and then people are asking, "Any for the Benye Fugu at all?" And today we are in Sunyani. And then we happen to come to a place where we find fugu, and it is very affordable, quality, all sizes are in. So I'll be taking you through the type of fugu and then the prices and all you need to know. If you want to get some too, we can also link you to the owner. So this is Karma Studios. If you haven't subscribed to this platform, make sure to follow us for more videos like this. Now let's go. So this session we have different types of the fugu. I've seen this before. Yes, a relative has let me seen this thing before. Same design, same size, and this thing cost 450, 450 Ghana cedis. Yes. So the types, the colors, and everything you can see um we have this red color, and it goes for 450. All the fugu that you see here cost 450. So any type that you want, 450 Ghana cedis. So cameraman, come closer, and let me show them. It's the one here 450, 450, 450, 450, 450. Black color. This is 450, 450, 450. So this area is 450. Yeah. And then when you come to this place, you also have 600. Here is 600. Yeah. So I just asked for the reason why this cost 600 and the other one cost 450, and the explanation was like it depends on the sizes and the way it was sold. Yes, say si pam no ne kese no na kire ne bo we 600 Ghana cedis, and the other side is also cost like 450 Ghana cedis. And then he said he has other ones that cost 350 and 300. Yes. So if you want some, you'll be leaving the number in the description box under the comment section and in our bio. If you want some, he's right here in Sunyani. So if you're in the Bono and then the Bono East, you can DM us. We'll just give you his number so that you get yours, because Fugu has become a national tradition, yeah, a traditional attire. So if you want some, Wednesday is being declared as National Fugu Day. It also only be now share said na National Fugu Day. No, if you are a government worker, if you are a corporate worker, one kasa will new business, you have to wear it said because it has become a national attire. It also only there. So it comes in different sizes, different designs, different colors, different sizes, and then the type of any kind of fugu you want. Yeah, come to this place, or you can let us link you up to the person so that you'll be able to get yours at at affordable price. 600, any 450, 300, 350. I know some people who are selling it for like 1,000 and 1,005 because it has become a national attire. But this one, the price is fixed. Yeah, for being count. So I think it is really really cool. If you want some, yeah, you can just come. Okay, so those who are into politics, this is the National Democratic Congress. Yes, the current party for the sitting president, yeah, or the party which is in power now. So if you want an NDC, Fugu, you have to come because you will get some. Yeah, NDC for the Mestram. those who are into politics, NDC for no yam brana, I'm imagine me there. Ewahasi na bianye kama kama. It is really really nice, and the price it is very affordable. The boy nyade. Yeni mukofobia they sell it for like 1,800 and 700. But here it goes for cool 450, 300, 350, 600 is the last priced. What I say, yeah. So this is for the National Democratic Congress. Yeah, we have the new Patriotic Party. This is for the new Patriotic Party, the NPP. Yes, the party which was in power before the National Democratic Congress came. Yeah. So this is NPP for no so Mr. Now Wednesday is being declared as National Batakari or Fugu Day. So National Batakari or Fugu Day and NPP for Mr. If you come here, so now you there come. The price is very affordable. We will not recommend anything that is very expensive that goes beyond your pockets. Yeah, so it is very nice. So up here we have the National Democratic Congress, and up here we have the New Patriotic Party. That is the NPP. This is the NDC. When you're pink sheet, but they got you covered here. So for those of you who are in Sunyane and then the surrounding towns in Sunyane, or Bono East, Bono region, or Hafu, Washington region, where are you? Northern region. We can ship this thing. We can give it to a car so that it will be brought to you at your doorstep. Yeah, and just stressful. It will be very easy. Transportation, everything. So I think they need to come for the yes. I think after this video, I have to get one. Yeah, so we have different types. Yeah, so if you want yours, come for yours. Yeah, yeah. Wait me after the come was yeah, was come on, very nice. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.